Yo, welcome back to another nerdy black video. Welcome back to another nerdy black video. Um, Today I'm just about to go over Gbot and a little bit of Gemach. Just gonna visit the website right quick for Gemach so you can. I'm leave all the links in the description. The link for Gbot to use it, I'll leave my referral link so you can use Gbot and so you can get linked up. The point of having Gbot is because it gives you an edge in a DeFi space when you get into, trading or just holding tokens, just period. It's more convenient to use Gbot. And you link it up through Telegram. It's a Telegram bot. I know a lot of people don't want to go download Telegram, but if you're going to be into crypto, if you want to get like the behind the scenes information with the community, Telegram is always a good source for communities, not just for Gbot, but most crypto communities have a Telegram because that's where it's kind of required that you have a Telegram if you're in crypto, because if you don't have a Telegram, then you don't have no place for your community to come, a thread where everybody can come talk and get updated information. You can download the Telegram app. I put links in the description for Android, or you can download for Apple. And once you have the Telegram app, then you can click links for Telegram. Just be careful which links you click. Don't just go around clicking links of people that you don't trust or that you don't know or haven't done thorough research and know that it's legit. It should be starting in a place like Twitter. If they don't have a Twitter, Twitter is like where all the crypto stuff is happening. If they don't have a Twitter, and if the devs aren't you don't know who they are, or they don't have a team, or you can't get direct access to the dev, just be very wary, unless it's like a popular project or unless you've done your research yourself. You know what I mean? And there's plenty of ways to do research. But with Gbot, you're going to need Telegram. So download Telegram, link in the description. After you have Telegram downloaded, click the link, the referral link for Gbot. And Gbot is a wallet. It's a decentralized wallet it's the most secure wallet that's out there as far as like these bots. It's the most secure and it's the fastest. So I'm linking you up with another tool in the game, a pew pew, so you can go out there and you don't get got, because these crypto streets is like the wild wild west sometimes. You know what I mean? So click the link, get Gbot. Once you got Gbot, download it in your Telegram. Let's go. All right, let's get into it. All right, hold on here. Let me go ahead and let me fix this right quick. Hold up. I forgot to there we go. Forgot to do that. All right, so here's Telegram. And I also put the link for Gemach down. Once you get here, you're going to have to go through the process of loading it into your thing. And once you get here, it'll probably give you some stuff. I wish I can go to the top to see what it's like. Can I sign out? No. Anyways, it's both the same in your phone and it's the same in your wallet or on your computer. Everything's the same. It just looks like this. And in fact, it updates in real time. If you do it on your phone, it updates in real time on your laptop. And if you do it on your laptop, it updates in real time on your phone. You get what I'm saying? So, oh, hold on, music started playing. So, once you get here, you can click Start Bot. That always takes you back to the main bot right here. Okay, and right here you can make different wallets. If you click right here, you can make as many different wallets as you want to make. And then when you have your wallets, if you click on them, let's click on this one. You see it has a private key. You can transfer the private key. It shows your balance and it shows your address. You can click on your address and then you can send that, or you can insert that when you send funds, because you're going to have to load this wallet that way. So make sure you copy your address, and remember how we did on Coinbase, or if you're using Kraken or any other centralized exchange where you can send funds to a decentralized wallet, you just copy your address right here, and then when it says send to, you insert that address. And if you're on your phone and then you want to use it on your computer, here's your private key. Or if you want to take your private key and load it to MetaMask, you can do that, or Phantom or whatever. You just use your private key, and that's how you would import your wallet into other wallets or use other platforms. Just it remains your wallet, Okay, so that's that. You can delete it if you want. You can set it as your current wallet. We're going to set it as our current wallet. You can edit this wallet. I don't really know what edit does. I've never really. Oh, if you want to update your private key, we don't want to do that. Wrap ETH to WETH. You can transfer your ETH. Like if you want to transfer your ETH, like let's say you want to transfer it to your Coinbase, or you want to transfer it to, your another wallet. You just you push transfer. Hold on. Let's go back to start right quick. You just go to transfer ETH, and then you see it gives an example. You just do it exactly how the example says. You would press copy. So you would copy this right here, or your address, and then you would paste it in here. So like let's say we wanted to use our address. You would copy it, paste it, and then you will put a comma, and then or whatever, and then you press enter, and then it sends. Okay, that's how you send from Gbot. Let's go back to wallets. Did we miss anything? I don't think so. You can connect a wallet. You can generate a new wallet. You can generate 5 wallets. You can generate 10 wallets. Okay. Yeah, transfer token. If you wanted to transfer ETH, that's how you do it. Transfer token. It's the same thing. You just pick the token that you want to transfer. Then you choose the address and you choose the amount. Same way. Okay, so now we're back at the start. We got our referrals, copy trades. So if you got somebody's wallet, you want to copy their trades. Like if you come across a good trader and you want to copy their trades, you would enter their wallet and follow the information, and then you can do copy trades from anybody's wallet. You can copy their trades. Limit orders, like you can set a limit to buy, if you want to trade a token, once it hits a certain limit, you can set it up so that it does that. What is my screen doing? Whoa, that was weird. Is this something because of my hands? Wow, that's crazy. Anyways, if you want to set it up to buy at a certain price range, you can do that with the limit orders. Slippage, you can control slippage, and we're going to go over slippage at another time, you know what I mean? But you can control the slippage, how much slippage you want, based off of if a token has enough liquidity. We already went over wallets, your referrals. Once you get in, you can share your referral link, like I'm sharing my referral link, how you got this to get Gbot. Sniper list. So if you want to snipe tokens, you can come right here to the sniper list and to show you what. I don't have no snipes, but basically what a snipe is, it's like if you know somebody's going to deploy or they're going to add liquidity to a token, then what you can do is you can take that address and you can put it in and then create a snipe, so that when they do add liquidity to the token, then you'll use Gbot, which is the fastest bot, trading bot, and it's the most secure, first in, first out. So you will be the first one as soon as it's added to be able to grab some of that liquidity, grab some of that token that's there, which is very, very crucial when it comes to trading, because you want to be first. And the main point of having Gbot is that you don't have to go to the meme pool when you're buying your tokens, where everybody else has to, stand in line and, basically bribe the validators to go ahead and put their transaction through. You don't have to do all of that. Gbot goes right there. See, the thing is, you have people who will front run you. So basically, when you put an order in, the bot will see your transaction trying to go through and will buy it and then sell it to you. Something like that. We'll get to explaining it better on another time. But that's what it basically does. That's what front running is when the bot will get there before you, and then you will get a higher price or less value of the token. And you don't want that. So using Gbot prevents that. You'll be the first one there. You know what I mean? You're there before everybody else, which is pretty dope. Then you can switch chains. You can switch to Ethereum, Fractal, Base, Arbitrum, SCI, or even BNB and Solana. Solana has a different wallet, but if you just click Solana, your Solana wallet will load up, to take you there. Okay, and so you can choose different chains. Currently, we're on Base. Right here at the top, it shows your current wallet address, the balance, the blockchain you're on. Okay, and then you have bridge multi-chain. So if you want to bridge from Ethereum to Arbitrum, basically what a bridge is if you have Ethereum that is on, or ETH token that's on Ethereum, or USDC that's on Ethereum, and you want to bridge it over to Arbitrum, then that's how you do that. Instead of having to send it to Coinbase and then send it from Coinbase to Arbitrum, you just bridge it right over, so that you keep the same ETH. You will have to pay a fee, a gas fee, and like a bridge fee probably, but you will get your tokens and your money on a different chain, where you'll be able to then participate in the protocols and different things that they have on Arbitrum. And we're going to go over some of those things soon, hopefully within the next couple of videos, right? I'm already going over on this one right here. Hold on. Oh, people out there. All right, so here we go. All right, so now that we went over that, you can check your positions here. So like, let's check our positions, right? So these are some tokens that I bought. So when you check your positions, it shows you the token, the holdings that you have, how much you have, how much in ETH value. This says 30 ETH, but that's a lie. I don't have no 30 ETH in there. Profit and loss. Oh man, yeah, see, that's up 3 million%. That's not right. But these were all rug tokens that I have bought using the token scanner. And yeah, see, that's why it says we're not finding liquidity pool for this token, because there's no, they rugged. And basically what a rug is basically where they deploy a token. Here, I'll show you. Let me see. I'll show you. Oh yes, so this right here, this is Gemach Alpha Intelligence bot, and you can use this for a lot of different things. If you hold Gemach token, you go to Gemach website, in the description you can get Gemach tokens. If you can get 100,000 Gemach tokens, get 100,000, so you have access to everything. And so then you'll be able to use Gbot, you can use Gemach Alpha Intelligence and everything else. But this is the token scanner right here, so basically you will get access to this too. It lets you know anytime a new pair is see, a pair just got up, another one to Solana. It lets you know every time a pair is deployed to the blockchain with liquidity added, so then you can come and you can grab the address, or you can just snipe the token. See, this is for Solana right here. But you can sit here and go through them. Oh, this one's on Base right here. This liquidity, it shows you the liquidity. The contract is unlocked. This is the pair address right here. Okay, paired with Wrap Ether, Exchange, Uniswap. That's the pair address right here. So if you want to look up the pair address, and this is the token address, and this is the token ticker, tells you how many holders it has, honeypot check, gas, buy and sell tax. So if you want to snipe this token, you would just put snipe, or you can press chart and it'll take you to deck screener so you can look at the chart and get a better look at it. This is super dope. So that's what you're seeing when you see that. Okay, but this is my token that I just made the other day for the community. We're gonna be doing some things with it, like token gating. You can see Nerdy Black token, NBT. This is the contract address. It shows you how much liquidity is in there right now on OmniSwap on the bonding curve, because it has to get the 50,000 to beat the bonding curve, which we're going to get to. Shows you the price of the token, market cap. This is the buy link. You can click the buy link. It'll take you to where to buy it at. Deck screener shows you how much you're holding. This is how much of this token. Oh wait, no, this is my ETH balance. I'm sorry. It says it right there. And then this right here shows how much you're holding, and it also shows your profit and loss. So when you're trading, if you want to know, like, hey, how much am I up? Profit and loss. I'm down 0.95, almost 1% right now on this trade, and it shows how many of the Nerdy Black tokens I have. 236 million. Okay, so my last buy shows how much my last buy was. And we're going to do another buy right now too. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So let's copy this address right here for Nerdy Black token. And let's push start bot. So we just get back to the main screen. Right? And then we're going to put the address in right here that we just copied. And you can take any address. If you have Gemach Alpha Intelligence, you can take an address and pop it in and say, hey, can you give me information about this token on whatever chain, base chain, since this token is on base chain. And it'll give you all the information. Okay, so then you just press enter. Right? Token details. It's checking the token details. Wow. And then boom, pops them up for me. This is how it's going to pop up. The same screen that you just had, that I just had when you click on it, right? So right now we got 0.0009 ETH. I'm just going to buy a little bit. You can buy 0.0, 0.1, 0.5, 1 ETH, 2 ETH. These are already set in there. And then if you want to sell, you can sell 20%, 50%, 80%, or 100%, which is a dope feature. And most wallets don't have that, but you can also enter amount to buy and enter amount to sell. You can do a limit buy and you can do a limit sell. Let's look at limit buy. So a limit buy. Oh, they're not supported for this token because it's not on the bonding curve yet. Okay, well, let's enter an amount to buy. So you see enter amount. So if you're on your phone, you just click in the messaging thing and message the bot 0.0009 and then press enter. And then it tells you it's swapping 0.0009 ETH and done. And it tells you how much of that token you have. And that's how you swap. And then if you want to sell, you just do the same thing. You just push sell and it does the same thing. Okay, so I'll also, if you guys want to check out this token, if you guys want to join the community Nerdy Black, you go ahead and go to the page and go to my website, nerdyblack.xyz. It's also in the description, and just go ahead and scroll down a little bit until you see Nerdy Black token section, and then it's going to have a buy link on the page. You can just click there to buy from OmniPump and read all the information concerning the token. Everything is transparent. You can see who owns the token, you can see the chart, and you can see how much progress we have till we get the bonding curve completed to be able to have the liquidity then deposited on Uniswap. And we'll go over that in another one where I'm going to go over the project more. So that's Gbot right there. That's how you get your wallet hooked up with Gbot. You use the link and I showed you how to use it. Okay, and we'll have more from Gbot later. You know what? No, we'll go over it right now. I was going to do it later because I'm already like 20 minutes in, but we'll go over a little bit more. So Gbot Soul is pretty much the same thing. Once you get Gbot Soul, except for you can do a smart snipe, and I like this because with the smart snipe, right? Oh, hold up. Let's get that out the way. With the smart snipe, it's smart token sniper. The symbol of the token you want to snipe. Okay, so you can put in the token that you want to snipe, or you can do a smart snipe where you leave the address blank, you put in how much you want to snipe, you leave the address blank, token creator blank, take profit. So now, if you want to take profit when you get, let's say, over 20%, you can go right here and it says enter amount. You just put 20. And so if it gets over 20%, and once it hits that 20% profit, you take profit. But if you want to do a stop loss, so like let's say I don't want to lose more than 1% of my money, just enter 1 and you press enter. And there you go. And it shows you which wallet you're buying from, and then you just push create. Do I have something here? Let me see. No, I don't have nothing here. Let me see. 0.01. So, yes, I don't have no funds in here. So it's notified, but that's how it pops up. And then usually, if it does pop up, it'll show you the address. Here, I'll go up here so you can see the last snipe that I did. Let me see. Snipe. Oh well, I don't know. But we'll do a snipe later. When you do the snipe, it shows you the token. You can click on the deck screener, check it on deck screener, see where it's at, and then you can sell right away if you need to as well. That's basically the difference between these two. Oh, there's one more thing with the Solana wallet. So with the Solana wallet, they will also have this thing called hot tokens. So you click this, right? And look at this. It lets you know which tokens are hot. It lets you know the liquidity. This is under 100,000. This is under 100,000. This is under 100,000. So you can go like do your research on these tokens and see, you know, what the company is all about. As a buy link, man, all of these are under. This one is $1 million. GIKO. This one is 6 million. Those are the top two. Every other one is this one is 257,000. These are low market cap tokens. So that's good to get in because the price is super low. It's fractions of a penny. If you get a good company that's fractions of a penny, right, and it goes up, a lot of these companies, you can really put in, and if you know companies, if you trust in the company, you put in a little bit, you get in early, you will be doing good if you hold. That's what investing is all about. And these tools help you to be able to be the first in and be able to know about them so you can have an edge versus when everybody else gets the information, and then usually that's when it's pumping. But if you get in early, with these projects, you can really be setting yourself up to win. Imagine if you would have been able to get Bitcoin like that, you know, like imagine if Bitcoin or Shiba Inu or Pepe, you know what I mean, or Dogecoin, or any of these meme coins that pop off. That's what these are. They're ERC20, they're meme coins. And with Gbot, you're able to have an edge, a full way to study. You can take the token. Like I can take this token right here, and I can go over here to Alpha Intelligence and say, can you tell me about this token? And then I put the address in, you know, and I think for this, it does a little quicker when you do on when I do it in the group chat for some reason. So let's just see here. Oh wait, we're in the group chat, so we gotta say at Alpha Intelligence. And then it's gonna give me the information for the token. And let me know everything that I need to know. That one went through. This one usually is faster. I don't know what's going on here. But it's thinking right now. It'll give me the answer in a bit. But that's what that is. That's the smart or the hot tokens. You can push hot tokens and it gives you tokens that are trending, that are hot, that you can do your research on, that you can have an advantage on. So that's Gbot. That's why I like to use Gbot. Get your Telegram, get your bars up. I'll be back with another video in a minute. I'm going to be talking about decentralized exchanges. With Gbot, you don't really have to use decentralized exchanges. You know, you can watch out for that. You don't have to worry about being scammed and all those different things like that. You know, you can ask Gemach Alpha Intelligence if something is scammy. You can ask it to look at a contract for you, and it does all those things. See, look, it says, I'm currently unable to retrieve specific security details. Oh, it's not on Etherscan. Let me see, can you tell me? Oh, let's see. Let's do this before we close out. Let's do this before we close out class. Because it's on Solana blockchain. It's not on Ethereum blockchain. So let's see. What was I saying now? Oh yeah, but you can use this to kind of help you invest and make better investment decisions. Now, with the centralized exchanges, that's how I got scammed. Is somebody sent me a link to a mock decentralized exchange. It looked like Uniswap or like I was trading on a official site, and I wasn't. And the contract that I was interacting with was a scam, and they drained my wallet. So that's the safe thing about using Gbot, is that you don't have to worry about that. You just get the address, and you can ask Gemach Alpha Intelligence first, like, yo, what's up with this? And as you can see, what it was saying, it was saying it couldn't find no security information, details regarding token identified, no security, no information or security details, right? So it's looking, and it's going to give you back the information that you need, so that you can be able to make the best decisions when it comes to trading, you know, so that you don't get scammed like I got scammed. This is a really good tool to use. Now, Gemach in itself is a super duper dope project. Once you get into some of the other things, as a lending platform with GLend, where you can go and you can lend money and get paid residual percentage through the Flywheel protocol that they have going with it. But we'll go over that at another time when we go over DeFi stuff. But for now, that's it for Gbot. Hope that helped you out. If you got any questions, feel free to hit me up. Make sure you like and subscribe.